Yeah, you can try.
How?
You're going to touch grass. Is that okay? Yay! Good job, Alex. Okay, Megan, you going to try? You going to roll? Okay. Run up to the top.
Do it again.
Run up and do it again. Okay, honey, you actually have to touch the grass. Run up. Okay.
Do you want to make up a weight?
Okay, ready? Lay down. Let go. Watch your brother and Connor. Oh, you want to lay down? Well, go lay down by Connor and roll. Go try it. Go roll. You gonna roll right here? Roll down. Lay down. Lay down like Connor. Whoa. You want Grandma to help you? Here, Grandma will help you. Okay, lay down. Ready? Roll. Roll.
Hey, Mom.
Roll.
I have an idea. If we can go shoot off and do it.
Go ahead. Okay, stand up and run up to the top.
Connor, come over here.
What's this?
Come here and do it.
It's
Bigger over there. It's a big hill here.
Yeah, right here. Connor, right here.
Here. Go right here.
What's
Where are
this?
you, Connor? You're going to be
oh.
your cousin. All right. Try it again, Caitlin.
Now.
Now you're just going to army crawl. Come here. There goes Alex. All right. Off you go. There goes Connor. Keep going.
Yeah, it's funny.
Good job, Connor. Yay. Caitlin's turn. Oh, there goes Alex again. Caitlin, your turn.
My
Need to help you again? All right, I'll help you again. Are you going to do it? What a big girl. Okay, go.
I'm going to do it. Hey, Mom. I have an idea.
Go. Now what's your idea?
Go, Caitlin.
Should you hold on to me and then put me down and then I can finish down?
Go ahead. Lay down.
Real.
Ready?
No.
Airplane.
Go, Connor.
Bye-bye, airplane.
Bye-bye. Hey, Mom, how far did I go?
Whoa.
Bye-bye.
Did the airplane go bye-bye? Here, Grandma, start you. Are you
Mom,
ready?
try even harder.
Okay, here you go.
Hold on to my back and let go.
Keep
and
rolling.
push.
Keep rolling.
Okay, keep going. Now.
Keep going.
Keep going.
You're far away. I know, honey. You gonna roll, Meg? You're too far.